You're about to see a day in the life of a multi-millionaire 19-year-old dropshipper, Mr. Steal Your Girl, alpha male. Let's get into it.
Her name ain't Megan, but yeah, she a stallion. The way that we dressing ran out of Italian. New chain bustin', beat the medallion, pull your own.
So one of the first things that I do in the day, and it's one of the most important things, is going for a morning run. Because I need to get that blood flowing. I need to start off by doing some stretches. So my subscribers have been asking me how I get so wham. So I'm gonna go through my full gym workout and I'm gonna start off by working on my hamstrings. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna head straight into the shower and I'm gonna be using something called the Mohsin method. We're gonna put the shower on the coldest setting because it's good for your dopamine levels, blood circulated, and it's a great way to keep me awake during my long, busy day. It's that cold, it looks like it's steaming, but I promise you it's cold. So guys, I've just got out of the shower and now I need to get myself on to getting some healthy, nutritious breakfast. I'm gonna be taking the beast with me to get all of the attention that I deserve.
Why they be down at the news of me, Shawty, she down, she be choosing me, I pour this brown with the juice in my cup.
And I've come to the best place to get my regular basis that I get every single day.
And at the thought of me, Shawty, she with it, she gon' swallow me up.
Hello, can I order triple pancakes with extra maple syrup, please? So the next part of my day is checking my Shopify sales for my dropshipping businesses. So as you guys can see on my Shopify, oh no, it stopped recording for 3 seconds. So guys, sorry about So guys, we had some technical issues with Google Chrome and the camera, but as you guys can see, sales by channel says is that 400,000 or 4 million?
Yeah, that's 1 million, yeah.
Just make sure you blur this bit out, and this bit out, but you can see the date range, the 1st of January to the 19th of September, we've achieved these crazy numbers. You might have to blur this out as well. They might figure out, I mean, we've done $4,234,000 in the last few months with my Shopify dropshipping business. You can see how this has changed my life. And for those that are wondering how much is the profit margin, the profit margin's around about 45 to 50%. So as you guys can see, we're making millions with this dropshipping store. So now we've absolutely smashed it with the dropshipping store. I need to call my supplier to make sure we've got enough inventory so our customers don't send lots of chargebacks or refunds. What do you mean I haven't paid my last bill? I'm the one that makes you the money. I pay for your kids' food. You know what this is gonna do to me if you don't do this? Okay, I'll go to another supplier if you're not gonna work with me. Is this Hyper SKU? I need to use your services. My old supplier cannot fulfill the product. I'm currently selling one of those plushy teddy bears. Do you have them in stock? Please, please, please tell me that you can help me out. I've got around about 1 sale, so I need you to be able to fulfill 1. Is that all right? All right, so the next part of my day is catching up with my VAs because my VAs will enable me to have passive income. I don't care if your kid's in hospital. You're on the clock. Did you hear me complaining last week when my dog passed away? No, I didn't, because I'm an alpha male. I also like to catch up with my VAs and make sure that they're happy working for me and the company. And if you want to be in the 0.0.0.1% of people, you need to get your act together. Your kid can look after himself, he can walk to the hospital. Because as they say, happy workforce, happy life. What do you mean you quit? I don't care if you quit, you're replaceable anyway. So the next part of my day is getting on a call with my mentoring students. No one else in the industry can teach them what we're gonna teach them. They don't know any of these secrets, but I feel like I've got to give back to the community that have made me rich. So this is my way of giving back. I must say, you've only got around about 5.3 minutes of my time. My time is extremely precious and I'm willing to give it you right now. So the first thing that you guys need to understand, do you want to spend as much money in the least amount of time? Make sure you're setting your ad sets for around about $1,000 to $10,000 a day. The actual worst rated products on AliExpress are the best products on AliExpress. If the customers complain, just do not give them a refund and do not let them charge back. If the customer's not happy, that's not your problem, that's their problem. So my amazing students, I can see some amazing potential. So I must go, guys, because I got another meeting next. So how I like to play the next part of my day is to relax. Gaming's a good way for me to think outside of work. And the beautiful thing about the way I do my businesses with my dropshipping stores is it's all passive income because I have my VAs in place. What do you mean you quit? I have my supplies in place. Please, please, please tell me that you can help me out. So pretty much I can sit back, relax, and enjoy the game. This Lamborghini is the exact same one I've got in real life. The only difference is the one in real life has got better rims on it. So my next call, really important for me to catch up with my stakeholders, my investors, and see how things are progressing.
I'll give you the rundown of all the figures. First store, we've made literally like one sale and lost about $3,000 in ad spend. The next one is we've spent probably about $2,000 and got nothing, so we're... Is he sleeping? Cam?
Huh?
Cam?
What, man?
Mate, we're screwed.
What do you mean we're screwed? Can we not get more investors on board? Get more VCs to invest in us? Yeah, I'm on a Zoom call, Mom. I have been really busy. I'm on this Zoom call right now as we speak, so that's why I'm a little bit jittery. Mum, I'm working hard so I can buy you that mansion you've seen. Now, I do expect you guys to pay me a fat bonus, so if you're not sending into my bank account $10,000 by the end of next week, I'm blacklisting you from the mentoring and I'm kicking you out. I'm very close to getting there, really, really close. So one of my most favorite part of the days is treating myself to a famous cigar. And this is a good way to reward myself after a hard working day. Good afternoon.
Hello, can I help?
I would like the most expensive cigar, the best of the best.
Well, our most expensive is £550.
What about the one before that? Like the lower end version?
£400?
And lower than that?
Well, that may suffice.
So how much is this going to cost me?
£9.85.
That will do the job. It looks the part as well, doesn't it?
It does, sir, yes.
Well, that'll do the job, mate. Can I take it?
Yeah, card or cash, sir?
Card, please.
Okay.
Do you have any uni discounts?
Very nice, sir. It's a licensed product, sir. Comes to £13.80 altogether, thanks.
You got anything cheaper? I mean, it's all right, mate. I'll take it.
Okay. There you go. Lovely. Do you need a receipt at all, or?
The card didn't get declined, did it?
No. There you go.
All right, good stuff.
Okay, thanks so much.
Oh, great. Instagram family, Twitter family. Smoking a cigar on the 84th floor. Look at the view. I'm in my penthouse. This is one of the penthouses that I own. If you're working hard towards your dreams, keep working. Don't ever quit. I don't think this thing, might need to light this again. Mate, it's not lighting. I can't light it. Expert. We achieved $60 million last year with our dropshipping stores. Carry on, guys. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Look at this cigar. This cost me £500. Does this look as good as the £500 one?
I would say so, yes.
Well, that'll do the job, mate. Can I take it? So that was a day in the life of a multi-millionaire 19-year-old dropshipper. I hope it's motivated you. I hope it's given you some inspiration. If you want to support me, buy my mentoring. I do need the money right now. This was expensive. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. And remember, think big. I'm the next top G. You could also be the next top G. Catch you guys later. Yeah, mate. If you haven't got a Bugatti Chiron by the age of 21, then, you know, your life's not in order. Also, what makes a man successful is a healthy diet. That's how you're able to work progressively through the day.